Hi there, it's Mark here again. I've got Rob on the camera as usual.
Hello.
And yeah, lovely beautiful day.
Yeah.
And a lovely beautiful Tamiya Porsche 911 RSR. Look at that, Rob. It's gorgeous, isn't it?
It is.
Even with the ripped sticker that I tore when I was putting it on. This is totally stock, dude. Except for ball bearings, everything else is totally stock. It's even got the dreaded pogo stick shocks on it, Rob.
Yeah.
But this one's all about the looks, really, I think.
It is.
Let's just have a bit of fun with it.
Yeah.
Okay, we're powered up, Rob. We've just run the Tyrrell P34 there. We'll give the Porsche a run. Never been run before, as I said. Try not to crash it. Lovely and smooth.
Yes.
And yeah, even those bouncy shocks aren't too bad, are they? On the
No.
oh, it is bouncing a little bit. You lost me. It's drifting, Rob. Oh, that was my foot. Can't do donuts, right?
No.
Let's try. No. Lovely and smooth, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ooh, tell you what, mate, that handle's all right. Oh, I lost it then. Can't see behind the bushes. Oh, that was weird.
That spin it all on its own.
Yeah. Oh, it's drifting, mate. I can't see it behind the bushes. There you go. Wow. Don't crash it now. Yes. I hope you're getting these, Rob.
Some of it.
It's so happy for a four-wheel drive car, I tell you, dude. It don't hang about, does it?
No.
I've lost it. Oh, I've crashed it.
I got that.
Oh, it does slide lovely. Too much there though. I think there's some bark or something on the road, dude. Wow. Wow, that is better than I thought it'd be, Rob, with the stock motor in it and yeah, the stock shocks on it. Let's get some nice arty shots with the GoPro, shall we?
Okay, yeah.
I don't know what to say, dude. Cheap as chips, entry level, basically stock, yeah, bearings in it, but even with the friction shocks, that was so much fun out there, wasn't it?
It was.
It goes like a rocket, and I love the way it slides. I've got none of those little centre mould lines left anyway on the tyres. I think this tyre will actually come off the rim, which wasn't helping. So there you go. No mould lines left on it, dude.
No.
Yeah, cheap as chips, load of fun. If you haven't got a TT02, go and get one.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.